Rejected content.
If you are mechanically inclined and also want to make a little extra money, flipping a mini bike could be a good option. I found this Coleman listed on Facebook Marketplace for 200 bucks.
Okay, so I'm out here at Hunting Supply something, I don't even know, in Flint. There's a clean OBS over here. Yeah, boy. And I got the frame, talked him down to 165. So now I'm gonna head home. All right, it's getting very close to being done, and I think it's time for the first fire up.
You gonna say something?
Okay, are you guys ready for the
what?
reveal?
Let's see it. Let's
For
see
the
the
reveal
unit.
of the new build?
I'm skeptical.
Yep.
Wait, yo.
Stop.
Okay, hold on. Okay. She rejected. Whoa. I like the flames. What did you do to these bars?
I just cut them down to size.
like shorter like this?
Yeah. Because they're
Wow.
like cut to length bars.
They look mean.
Pretty stout.
Hold on, let me get it's cool how the engine's like so clean, like it hasn't
I
even.
don't know.
Dude, it's fresh.
Pop the.
She's a fresh hog.
Okay, so are the brakes adjusted?
Yeah, they're good.
It works.
Yeah, it just doesn't roll too well because the belt. I think they sent me the wrong belt or something because it's really tight.
Yeah.
But once it wears down, it'll be fine.
Is this the one brake lever? It's
Yeah.
only one brake.
Yeah, it's a rear drum.
And it's not a lot of travel in there, but you know,
It's all
do the
good.
job.
It doesn't seem like it's doing anything, actually.
It works.
It'll work from speed.
Yeah.
Drum brakes just do that. All right, well,
You want to test her out?
I kind of want to test her out. What? Okay. There we go. Give me a little check.
Hang on, let her warm up a little bit.
Hell yeah.
Now that we thoroughly tested the bike, it was time to sell.
Sweet. Yeah, it's a ripper.
Appreciate you, man.
Enjoy it.
Okay, so I made the sale. I sold it to the guy for 750 bucks. I bought the frame for 165. The engine for 130. I put 260 into engine upgrades and then another 95 for other bits and bobs. So my total spent was 630. I ended up profiting 120 bucks.
How hard to stand here like?
Yeah. That's badass, bro.